When planning the menu for a gathering of friends, it's very easy to buy a bunch of pre-made items to snack on. But by purchasing pre-made food, you're sacrificing a chance to put your stamp on it. The next time you walk past those packaged flavored nuts, keep walking. You can make them at home, tailored not only to your preference, but also to holidays and special occasions. This technique for making spiced nuts produces a tasty snack for a party or a crunchy addition to a cheese plate. And make plenty because these nuts have a way of disappearing quickly. You can use any variety of unsalted raw nuts. Pick what you like best. Adjust the oven rack to the upper middle position and heat the oven to 300 degrees. This low temperature ensures they will cook completely without burning on the outside. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and coat the paper with cooking spray. If you don't have parchment, that's okay, but using it will make your cleanup super easy. This recipe starts with 1 egg white. Separating eggs is easy and can be done a couple of ways. First, be sure to have a large bowl handy to catch the egg white once you're ready. I like to crack the eggshell on a hard surface, then remove the top of the shell and discard it. I use my free hand and fingers as a strainer and juggle the yolk lightly until the whites fall off. I also save the yolk for another recipe. An egg white might seem strange here, but we found that it coats the nuts better than oil or butter, and it helps the spices stick and makes the nuts crunchy. To the egg white, add 1 tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 pound of unsalted raw nuts to the mixture and toss to coat them evenly. In another large bowl, combine half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Now this is a sweet version of spiced nuts, but you can adapt the flavors. Barbecue, wasabi, curry, and other warm spices such as cumin, cayenne, and paprika are just a few examples. Add the nuts to the bowl with the spice mixture and toss with a spatula to coat the nuts evenly. To finish off the spiced nuts, evenly spread them onto your prepared baking sheet. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Roasting brings out more flavor in the nuts and it creates that great crunchy texture of the coating. But be sure to keep a careful eye on these so they don't burn. Rotating the pan halfway through baking ensures they cook evenly. The finished nuts should be dry and crispy. This recipe is also easy to double. Just bake the nuts on 2 baking sheets on the upper and lower middle positions in the oven. Remember to switch and rotate the sheet pans halfway through baking. Let the baked nuts cool completely. Then break apart any large clumps. These nuts can easily be made ahead and stored in an airtight container for up to 1 week, if they even last that long.